Good morning students, welcome to your maths class. I am teaching here maths for class 8. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is inequations. In class 7 you all have studied about linear equations, which is a mathematical statement showing that the two equations are equal. The standard form of linear equation we all have learned is ax plus b is equal to c, where x is any variable. Today we are going to learn about linear inequations. For this, firstly we should learn that what is an inequality. So inequality is a mathematical statement showing that the two expressions are not equal. For example, we write 7 and 3. Here we can see 7 is not equal to 3. So when we'll compare these two digits, we'll get the result as 7 is greater than 3. Okay? Our next topic is symbols of inequality. So symbols of inequality are represented as, this sign is known as is less than. This sign is known as is greater than. This sign is known as is less than or equal to. And this sign is known as is greater than or equal to. So we can say that here greater than sign in the above example is called symbol of inequality. Now after learning about inequality and symbols of inequality, let's move on to another topic, that is linear inequation. Linear equation is a mathematical statement which involves a linear function and it contains any one of the symbols of inequality. For example, we take 2x minus 5 is less than 7. Here 2x minus 5 is a linear function and is less than sign is a symbol of inequality. Our next topic is what is a replacement set. The replacement set is a set which involves all the values of the variable involved in the inequation which would satisfy the inequation. Means एक ऐसा सेट जिसमें आपकी सारे वैल्यूज आ जाएं जो किसी इनइक्वेशन के वेरिएबल को सेटिस्फाई करती हो. For example, if in a question it's given that x belongs to, this sign is known as belongs to. So x belongs to n. Here n is a set of natural numbers. X belongs to I or z. It is a set of integers. X belongs to W, set of whole numbers, and X belongs to R. R is a set of real numbers. Okay? Our next topic is solution set. Solution set is a subset of the replacement set which it contains values of the variable involved in the inequation. To learn these two terms more easily, we can learn it using an example. X is less than 4 and x belongs to natural numbers. We have to find the solution set of this given inequation. Here the replacement set is x belongs to natural numbers. So natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and so on. And x is less than 4, मतलब x यहाँ पर 4 से छोटा है और आपका नेचुरल नंबर है. तो आपके वो नंबर्स जो 4 से छोटे हों और नेचुरल नंबर हों वो कौन से होंगे? 1, 2 and 3. So replacement set is of natural numbers and solution set is 1, 2 and 3. Let's move on to another topic, that is laws of inequality. Our first law of inequality is if same quantity is added or subtracted on both sides, the sign of inequality does not change. मतलब अगर सेम नंबर आपने ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है इन इक्वेशन के दोनों तरफ, तो उसके साइन पे कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता. नेक्स्ट लॉ इज if an inequality is multiplied or divided by same positive number, the sign of inequality does not change. मतलब अगर किसी नंबर से आप इस इनइक्वालिटी को दोनों तरफ डिवाइड या मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो सेम पॉजिटिव नंबर से, तो वहां पर उसका साइन चेंज नहीं होता. नाउ थर्ड लॉ इज if an inequality is multiplied or divided by same negative number, the sign of inequality is reversed. Means अगर किसी सेम नेगेटिव नंबर से आप इनइक्वालिटी के दोनों तरफ डिवाइड या मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, तो उसका साइन रिवर्स हो जाता है. रिवर्स मतलब उल्टा हो जाता है. अगर वहां पर लेस दैन का साइन लगा है तो वो किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? ग्रेटर दैन में. और ग्रेटर दैन लगा है तो लेस दैन में. सेम लेस दैन और इक्वल टू लगा है अगर, तो वहां पर ग्रेटर दैन और इक्वल टू बन जाएगा. अगर ग्रेटर दैन और इक्वल टू लगा है तो वो लेस दैन और इक्वल टू में चेंज हो जाएगा. यही है हमारे लॉज ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी. नाउ लेट्स लर्न हाउ टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस यूजिंग दीज लॉज ऑन नंबर लाइन and without number line. Our first question is represent the solution set of the inequation graphically. Here graphically word symbolizes that you have to represent the solution set on number line. Okay? Now the inequation is x plus 4 is greater than and equal to 2x minus 2 and x belongs to natural number. Here replacement set is of natural numbers. To solve this question, we have to firstly convert it in the standard form of linear inequations. For this, we will get all the x to one side and all the remaining numbers to another side. We will bring this 2x to this side, its sign will be changed to x minus 2x and greater than and equal to minus 2, and when we will take this 4 to another side, it will become minus 4. Now x and minus 2x will give minus x and greater than and equal to minus 2 and minus 4 will give minus 6. Here x is given with negative sign. Firstly we have to change it to the positive sign, so we will multiply negative 1 on both the sides of this inequation. We will get minus x into minus 1 greater than and equal to minus 6 into minus 1. Minus minus is plus and our x sign is positive, and the sign of inequality will get reversed, and minus minus is plus and 6 1 ja 6. So we will get the answer x is less than and equal to 6. So our solution set will be x is a natural number and x is less than and equal to 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is a solution set of this equation. Now we have to represent it on number line. So firstly we will make one number line. After making our number line, we will represent the solution. Our first number is 1, so we will make 1 dot on 1. Same way 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the way we can solve our question and represent the solution on number line. Our next question is, if replacement set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, find the solution set. Our first part is x plus 2 is greater than and equal to 3x minus 1 upon 2. To solve this, Firstly, we will convert it into the standard form of linear inequation. For this, we have to do here cross multiplication. So we will write 2x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 1. Our next step is we have to open this bracket. So we will multiply 2 in the each term of this bracket. So 2x plus 2 into 2 is 4 greater than or equal to 3x minus 1. We will take all the x on one side and all the numbers to other side. We will get 2x minus 3x greater than or equal to minus 1 minus 4. Solving it, we will get minus x is greater than or equal to minus 5. Now multiplying by negative 1 on both sides, we will get x is less than and equal to 5. So our solution set will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the answer of the inequation x plus 2 greater than or equal to 3x minus 1 upon 2. The next question is 4 into x minus 2 less than 3x plus 1. We will open the bracket. We have to multiply 4. In the bracket, we will get 4x minus 8 less than 3x plus 1. Now, we will take all the x to one side and all the numbers to another side. So, 4x minus 3x is less than 1 plus 8. 4x minus 3x is x is less than 1 plus 8 is 9. So, we will get the solution x is less than 9. Now, our solution set will be, now we don't have numbers up to 9 in our solution in our replacement set. So, we will find the answer according to this replacement set. We will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 as our solution set. So this is the way we can solve our questions graphically or without number line. Now the worksheet related to this topic will be uploaded on the school website followed by my video. Bye bye. Thank you.